Hello, in this video I will be showing you how to become a Fiverr affiliate. Fiverr is one of the most popular, if not the most popular freelancing website around. So we'll be looking at how you can start making some money with Fiverr without any form of skills, so you can start this as a complete beginner in the affiliate market. All you'll need to do is go onto fiverr.com. Then you are going to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see the option affiliates. You are going to tap on that. After selecting affiliates, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, before tapping on start earning now, let us scroll down so we can read some more about the affiliate program. As you can see, it is completely free to get started. All you'll have to do is promote Fiverr to your targeted audience and you'll be able to start earning, as you can see right here. And if we should tap on their commission plan, you'll be able to see how much you'll be able to make with Fiverr. As you can see right here, we'll be doing CPA. So CPA means cost per action. So while majority of the gigs on Fiverr start at $5 or so on, hence the name Fiverr, even if someone should go onto Fiverr and purchase a $5 gig, the minimum you'll be getting paid is $15. Yes, you heard me correctly. You'll be able to get $15, and it can go upwards to even $100 or $150, depending on the type of service that the person purchases. As you can see right here, they offer different commissions, $15 to $150, depending on what category your buyer purchases from. You will qualify for CPA commissions once your buyer purchases on Fiverr for the first time. As you can see right here, different categories and the payout as you can see there. So it all depends on the category. Now that we have an idea of how much we may be able to make with Fiverr affiliate program, let's go over to the FAQ section so that we can learn some more. And you can see right here, if you have any form of questions before signing up, you can check it out right here. And by the way, you may be wondering why not just use their referral program and get the 10%. Well, you can see the big difference between the referral program and the affiliate program. The affiliate program was created mainly to reward website owners, social media influencers, content creators, promoters, or anyone who has access to an audience to increase their interest in Fiverr for the first time. So instead of doing the referral program, and you'll get 10%, and that would go towards your money to spend again on Fiverr, with an affiliate program you'll be able to get paid and you can withdraw your money, you can see right here, to your PayPal, Payoneer or bank account, and you can start using that money to purchase or do anything else in your life. So after you have done that, you'll simply sign up. And to sign up, all you'll need to do is enter your first name, last name, email address, and also create a password, as you can see right here. And you'll enter your country and your language. You don't have to enter Skype. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on next, and it will redirect you to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, what I want you to do now is simply go over to the left-hand menu option, and you will see marketing tools. You can simply tap on that and you could select all marketing tools, and you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, all you have to do is tap on filter by brand. So you could tap on Fiverr CPA. Then you can also filter by type if you have a particular niche that you want to go in. But if you don't, you can simply tap on show creatives after tapping on filter by brand. And from here, you can see the different CPA offers that you'll be able to offer. And you can also type in right here if you have a particular niche that you'd want to search for. And all you'll have to do is copy the link right here. Once someone taps on that link and goes through and purchases a service, you'll be able to get a commission. And also you may be wondering, how will you be able to promote these links if you are new to affiliate marketing and you do not have any audience to promote it? What I would recommend you do, instead of spamming numerous emails, I would recommend that you join some forums or you join different Facebook groups. For example, you can see I'm on Quora right here, and I typed in best video editor. And after typing in best video editor, you can see right here who are the best YouTube video editors, and you can see right here 166 persons are following this. All you'll have to do is simply tap on this, and once you have done that, you will see the question, and next you can simply tap right here where you see the comment section, and you'll be able to leave a comment, and you can also leave your Fiverr affiliate link. For example, you can see this person is doing that right here, but I would recommend you use bit.ly or another form of link shortener instead of leaving this link, as it doesn't look presentable. And that's it. Once the person visits your link and goes through and make a purchase on Fiverr, you'll be able to make a commission. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.